Is it drugs? It's like that Asian Paints card.
एशियन वो घर कलर करने के लिए चूज करते हैं ना कि ये वाला कलर कराना है कि ये वाला. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. आज की वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. So in today's video I am going to be quizzing him
Hello.
on makeup products. Introduce तो करना नहीं है because this is the third video that we are.
Everyone knows me. Everyone in your channel knows me.
No, that's not. Oh, हाँ, kind of. Okay, so today I'm going to be quizzing him on makeup products. This bag is full of makeup. So what will happen is I'll give you a makeup product. तुमको उसका price बताना है and what it does.
Cool.
ठीक है? Ready? Have you ever like purchased makeup for any of your friends or like anyone?
Do I look like someone who purchased makeup? But then I have had makeup put on me once or twice. Yeah.
वो फैशन शो के लिए ना?
Yeah.
Okay, तो कभी like मम्मी को गिफ्ट नहीं किया है मेकअप?
मैं तो मम्मी कुछ भी गिफ्ट नहीं किया.
That is so bad. You shouldn't be proud of it. You should not be proud of
I
it.
wouldn't give someone makeup.
Okay, let's begin. So we'll start with something easy. The first product is this one.
What the fuck?
ये makeup product नहीं है. This is like a skincare product. This is like a skincare product. And remember वो मुझे last video की थी quizzing my guy friend on female product. उसमें ये था. And you couldn't answer.
I don't remember because I'm not a nerd.
So tell me what this does and what is the price of this.
First of all, if this is a sex toy, this does not count. Okay? If it's not, then it's a massager.
Facial massager. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what it costs, but I wouldn't pay more than $50 for this.
50? अच्छा, if you are like close, like अगर 500 है and तुमने 600 बोला तो that's close, then I'll give you a point.
Also, I don't know what this is for the face and what is this for.
ऐसे eyes, ये eyes के लिए, ऐसे face के लिए.
This looks like it's made of marble or something. I'll give it $500.
Lock कर दे. Wrong. This is 1300.
1300. This is $1300.
ये देखो marble का बना हुआ है एकदम. Wrong. Zero. अभी तक zero.
What's the point in 0 and 1? What do I get if I win? This
Whatever you want.
I want your camera. I want your YouTube channel.
That is not possible. Okay, so the next product is this one. क्या है ये बोलो?
I know this.
What is this?
This is nail polish. Oh, this is liquid foundation. You put it on your face.
This is nail polish.
No. This is liquid foundation. You put it on your face.
What is the price of this one?
This has to be high, right? If that shit is $1300, this has to be like $2000. This is around $2000. Yeah. Look at your smile. This is $2000.
Wrong. This is 900, 875, close to 900.
What the fuck? This costs more than that.
This shows that guys have no idea how expensive makeup is.
Yeah, because
or how. I mean, they just don't know कि makeup का price क्या होता है. So the next product is ये थोड़ा like.
This is nail polish.
This is not nail polish. The third product is this one. तुम पढ़ो ना क्या लिखा है. बिना पढ़े लिखे बोल देते nail polish.
Beet tint. What the fuck? This is beetroot. It's edible. Is it drugs? Beet flavored drugs. Oh, this. You put this on your cheeks.
ये तो मैंने लगाया अभी.
I don't care. Oh, ये ऐसे से rub करते हैं. क्या सब करती है यार?
मैं क्या सब करती है ना तू? As if I'm the only girl who applies makeup.
I'm guessing $20-30. It can't be
तुम
more.
पागल हो? तुम ठीक से बताओ ना 20-30 bucks का कौन सा मेकअप प्रोडक्ट होता है?
It's $200. It's made out of beet. It has to be more than $20. So I guess it's $200.
200.
Just give me the price. I don't
Let
care.
me shock you. It's for 1200.
Why?
Out of this game. Why am I even playing this game with you? Okay.
Because
this one
you
will
need
be
the views.
easy. This one will be easy. What is
This
this?
is a lipstick.
Yes.
This is a lipstick.
Price. This is the most expensive lipstick I have.
The most expensive lipstick you have. So it's like a good 13 rupees.
13 rupees.
You're saying it's expensive, so I'll give it like $500.
You're close. It's 650.
Yeah. So we'll take that.
Okay, so you get 1 point. The next product is this one.
Looks like Kinder Joy for older people.
Kinder Joy for older people. So before we move ahead with the video, I quickly wanted to talk about this product, which is the Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles Eye Cream. Like, you know how prominent my dark circles are, and I always complain about them. This eye cream has cucumber extract and daisy flower extract. Cucumber is rich in vitamin C, and daisy flower extract reduces dark spots caused due to daily environment and exposure. It also has hawkweed extracts. It lightens and regenerates the skin, hence reducing the appearance of dark circles. Overall, it reduces dark circles and also nourishes the under eye skin. And the best thing I like about this product is that it's so small, it's travel friendly, so I literally just keep it in my makeup bag, and yeah, I'm good to go. This product is available on Nykaa, Amazon, and also on Mamaearth's official website and app. You should definitely download their app because they have sales and discounts going on literally all the time. Also use my code ANNA2022 for 20% discount on their app and official website. Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand and they recycle more plastic than they use. They're also planning to plant 1 million trees as a part of their initiative, which I feel is amazing. This is an eyeshadow palette, kind of.
They don't even write it in the back.
Oh wow, amazing.
This looks more pricey than those things. I'll give it 900 bucks.
Close, 850.
Yeah.
So you get 2 points. Next product.
It's a highlighter.
Okay.
So
Highlighters क्या होता है?
You highlight your notes with it.
Highlight your notes or highlight your face.
Why are you putting all this on your face?
इसका प्राइस मैं एक्चुअली खुद भूल गई हूँ, रुक जाओ.
ये तो सेम चीज है ना.
इतना आवाज क्यों कर रहा है यार ये लोग, पागल लोग.
हाँ यार, थोड़ी इंडस्ट्री इम्पोर्टेंट होता है देश के लिए. YouTube से ही तो चलता है ना, रोक देते हैं. 500 bucks.
Wrong. 720. Next product.
This is the same thing. It's just bigger. It's a
No,
bigger
it's not the same thing.
Face was radiant glow. It says use me. It's a dustbin. That is 750 bucks. This has to be more. This has to be 900 bucks. Exactly.
Correct.
Yeah.
First time तुम एक product का price correct बोले.
I don't care, but I'm happy for some reason.
The next product.
This is a pen, Anna.
Just pen. Just a hint that this is the cheapest product I own. So guess the price of this.
Yeah.
And what it does.
First of all, this is a sketch pen. This is kajal.
नहीं, काजल नहीं है. Just read what's written over there and you will understand.
You put this on your eyebrow. This is a fake eyebrow thing. You paint your eyebrow with it. This is the cheapest thing you have. I'll give it 150 bucks. No.
उतना भी cheap.
250. This is 300, 250, 300. Yeah, 300.
Wrong.
300 bucks.
Wrong.
What?
470. Close to 500. The next product is this one.
This is the thing from Men in Black that you look at and you forget things. Oh, this is, you put this in your eyes. This is kajal.
This is not a kajal. Last वाला भी तुम काजल बोले थे. That was not a
This
kajal.
is, you put this on your eyelashes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's a
Eyelash thing.
it's a mascara.
So no, 800 rupees.
750. बोलो क्या है ये?
It's the thing that barbers put on you in the salon.
मैंने अभी लिटरली फेस पे लगाया. Just to explain कि ये क्या है. बोलो क्या है?
It's a spray.
Yeah. Makeup
Oh,
setting spray.
yeah. It sets your makeup. This is 1200 bucks. Yeah.
600.
So here's the thing. Everything that's big in size is somehow cheaper. I don't understand why.
And everything that is small is kind of expensive. You get the trick.
Yeah.
But इसका तो पक्का wrong बोलोगे. I know. All the products तुमने सारा का मतलब almost गलत ही बोला. कुछ का सही बोला.
This is a concealer as well.
Yeah. But it's a different concealer. This is color corrector and this is normal concealer.
Yeah. So how much was that?
This was 600.
So this has to be cheaper, right? But then the lowest you have is 475 bucks. So it can't be cheaper than that. So this.
Calculation maths चल रहा है.
This has to be 500 bucks around.
Yes,
Yeah.
500. The last product that we have is this one. Let me show it to you guys.
What the fuck? It's like that Asian Paints card.
Asian वो घर कलर करने के लिए चूज करते हैं ना कि ये वाला कलर कराना है कि ये वाला. This is an eyeshadow palette.
This is of course costlier than everything else here.
No.
This is 750 bucks.
Correct. 700.
Yeah.
700 rupees. This shows that you have no idea about.
I did get some.
Like 3-4 was correct.
Yeah,
like out
yeah,
of 10, 3-4 was correct. But This shows that you have no idea about makeup. Okay, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed filming with me for the third time.
I didn't.
You did not, but you have no other choice. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such fun videos, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.
Bye.